Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing Madame Glam's gel polishes. So they went ahead and sent me 3 gel nail polishes as well as a base coat and a top coat. So I just wanted to go ahead and share that with you guys. So before we get started with this video, I just wanted to give a little background story about the brand Madame Glam. So it did start in New York City back in 2014. What's also very cool about Madame Glam is that it's all cruelty-free and all vegan-free gel polishes, which is very awesome. So they have more than 1,800 gels and over 100 shades available on the website, so I would definitely go check it out. After watching this video, if you are interested in purchasing some gel nail polishes or whatever else they have on their website, you can use this code right here for 30% off your purchase, and I'll leave it in the description box as well. Okay, so we're going to be in a different scenery, but I just wanted to go over the gel polishes that I did get. So starting with these, this one is going to be the top coat. This one is going to be the base coat. And then these are the 3 shades that I did choose myself. So I did choose this one that's called XOXO. And this one is like a nude color. So I thought that'd be perfect because you can never go wrong with a nude color. The second one is called Cold Lips. And I believe it's like a grayish color. I'm just going to go ahead and open this up for you guys. It's kind of like a grayish, greenish color. I don't know how really to describe it. I don't think this is the one that I ordered, because the one that I ordered was more of an army green color, but I did get sent this one. I mean, it's okay. Not gonna be mad about it, but yeah, so it's kind of between gray and green. Don't really know what would be in the middle of that color. And then the next one is going to be called Honeydew. So I really like this color. It's like a seafoam green color, very pretty. See, oh yeah, that's gorgeous. And then that is it for the gel polishes that they sent me. And they were also very nice to go ahead and send me a LED pocket lamp. So with the gel polishes, you do have to cure them. Depends on how many coats you put on. And this is what it looks like. So it's going to be a gold color, very nice. I do already have a pocket lamp, but you can never go wrong with another one. It's just what it looks like, and it has little stickers on it, very cute. All you do is just plug it in from here and then plug it into a outlet, and then you can go ahead and have your pocket lamp all set up. Okay, so for the next part of the video, I'm going to be putting on some gel nail tips. So as you can tell, I don't really have much nails to work with. So what I have been getting into is gel nail tips. So they are different than the regular nail tips that you use for like acrylics. So this one, it covers the whole nail, which I like. What you really have to do after you glue these on, all you do is just put the gel nail polish on top of it, cure it, and you're all set. It is a very easy way to do your own manicure at home, so I highly recommend it. I'm just going to go ahead and skip through this just for the sake of this video, but if you guys want me to do a more in-depth video of how I do my gel nails at home, I can definitely do that. Just leave me a comment down below and I will go ahead and do that for you guys. Okay, so I already have my gel nails on already, and this is just what they look like, and I actually ordered these off of Amazon, so if you're interested I can always leave a link down below. So first we're going to start off with the Soak Off base coat, and I'm just going to put this all on my nails, just one coat, and then I'm going to go ahead and cure it. Okay, now that I did the one base coat, I am going to go ahead and cure it. So the only thing that is kind of unfortunate about these pocket LED lights is that not all of your fingers are going to fit in here. So I'm just going to do my 4 fingers, and then after that I'm going to go ahead and do the big finger. So I'm going to go ahead and start with this shade first, XOXO. I'm going to go ahead and cure it. I'm going to put another coat on top of it. This is what it looks like so far. And I'm going to go ahead and cure it again. Okay, so for the next shade, I'm going to go in with Cold Lips, and then this one is the grayish greenish color. I want to go ahead and put that on my next nail. Ah. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and cure this one. This is what the second nail looks like. It is a very pretty color. Okay, so last but not least, this one's the one I'm super excited for. This one is called Honeydew, and I'm going to put this on my middle finger, so we can go ahead and try this one out. Okay, and now I'm going to cure this middle finger. Okay, and then I'm going to add one more coat to this one. So I went ahead and finished the rest of my nails, so I just kind of repeated the colors just because I had the 3 colors. So this is how it came out, very cute. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the top coat. Okay, and then this is the finished product. I really like all the colors that I got. I think one of my favorites, obviously I already knew this was going to be my favorite, was the Honeydew. It's a very gorgeous color, and again it's this one right here. Love it. It's like a seafoam green, and that's like one of my favorite colors. Okay, thank you guys again for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you again to Madam Glam for sending me these. Again, here is my code for 30% off, so make sure to go use that, and I will link everything in the bio, so you can go ahead and check them out. Thank you guys for watching so much, and I will see you guys next time if I don't see you after the holidays. Happy holidays. Bye.